Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare eggless pineapple upside down cake. Ingredients required are 1 and half cup maida, 3/4 cup sugar, half cup brown sugar, half cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, some cherries, pineapple slices and 3/4 cup of milk. Let's start the preparation. First we can mix our dry ingredients. Take maida, baking powder, baking soda, salt. We have to sieve this. Our dry ingredients mix is ready. Keep it aside. Here I have taken 9-inch baking pan. I have greased it with butter. Keep one small saucepan for heating. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we have to add brown sugar. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. When we see bubbles to the edge and middle, switch off the stove. Now we have to pour this on baking tray. Spread this evenly. Now we have to place pineapple slices. Here I am using tinned pineapples. You can use fresh pineapple as well. How to cut pineapple I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check that link in description box below. We can decorate it with some cherries. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now we have to prepare cake batter and pour this on pineapple slices. For cake batter preparation, take one mixing bowl, add in oil, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, sugar. I am going to whisk this well. You can use whisk or electric hand mixer or stand mixer. I am going to add half of the milk. We have to add half portion of our dry ingredients. Gradually mix this well and add remaining dry ingredients. I am going to add some more milk. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or pineapple essence to this batter. This cake batter consistency should be little thick like this. Batter is ready to pour on pineapple base. Spread it evenly. This cake batter is ready to go in preheated oven. Bake this cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. It's 30 minutes now. I have taken the cake out of the oven. We can see cake has baked properly and become golden brown. We can check cake by inserting toothpick. If it comes out clean, then cake has baked properly. Allow this to cool completely, then we have to flip the cake. Cake has cooled completely. Now I am going to flip this. Pineapple upside down cake is ready to enjoy. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.